Hi, Brian here from Stroud Homes Brisbane South. I want to have a chat about the build quality in our homes. Our clients tell us this is one of the top 3 features they look for in a new home. You may have seen we promote our build quality as being in the top 5% of all builders. How do we know this? An independent assessor, handovers.com.au, have told us in writing that our homes rate in the top 5% of all homes. Now, they've been in the business for around 15 years and they've assessed over 10,000 homes, so they're in a pretty good position to judge this. We pride the workmanship that goes into our homes, and we do this via our tradies and our site supervisors, all working to the same high standards. We're going to have a quick chat today with some of our tradies and supervisors to find out what is the Stroud difference over a number of areas of our homes. So let's get started. Okay, so we're starting to have a look at a few different areas of a Stroud home, and we're talking about quality. I've got Rob here with me. Rob, thanks for coming along.
No worries, Brian.
Rob's our site supervisor. One of the things we're going to start with, I just want to find out a little bit about the bricks. So Rob, tell us what the story is here.
Yep, so what we've got is we've got a choice of either a double height or a single height brick for the clients to choose. Give them a bit of an array to deal with.
That's great. Now, that's at the same price, so it's no extra for the double height.
That's correct. Yep,
that's
same
fantastic.
price for double or singles. Yep.
Excellent. All right, thanks mate. Let's have another look at something else. Okay, so we're talking about slabs now. Rob, we do a single pour slab. You can tell me a little bit more about that in a minute, but when we actually pour the slab, are you on site for the whole time?
Yeah, Brian. So us as supervisors, we're on site overseeing from the start to the finish of the concrete pour itself.
That's excellent. Now, the whole concept of the single pour, tell us a little bit why that's important.
So with the single pour, we do the porches tied into the main slab, the front porch and the rear patios and that. That's basically to make sure that it's tied in together so that there's no chance of, or less chance of maybe separation or a bit of movement and creating termites or weeds or anything coming up in between the two separate pours.
And I do know a lot of other builders will pour separately. Bit cheaper to do it that way, but this is structural that you're actually doing here when you do it in the single pour, so it's much stronger, isn't it?
Yeah, that's correct. Yep, so it ties it all in together.
Excellent. Thanks mate, good stuff. Okay, we're obviously outside. We want to have a quick chat about side cuts and the excavation that goes on, Rob. Tell us a little bit what happens here.
Alright, so what we have is we have a laser level site cut, which makes it all flat for the building process for the slab to go down. Yeah. We've got an extended slab cut, which goes to the base of the batters. And you can see the batters in the background.
Beautiful. Mate, tell us about yard gullies. I know we do them. What's the story with those?
So the yard gullies we put in basically we're at the bottom of the batters. Yep. We've got a couple positioned here, yep. And that's to create when the water comes down and through, they'll go into those yard gullies and go around the outside of the pad.
So the theory of it is the last thing we want is any water getting onto the slab.
That's correct. We've got to keep water away from the base.
Yep. Excellent. Thanks, mate. Okay, we're on site, obviously, and we're going to have a chat to Rob and our carpenter, one of our chief carpenters, Ben, in a minute. But I was just going to ask Rob about noggins, because I often get asked by the clients, are we able to put extra noggins into the frame? Often it's for a clothes dryer or a TV, something like that.
Yep, that's right. We install noggins as standard. We generally put them anywhere where the clients want.
So it's really just a matter of asking, and there's no extra charge for that?
No, that's correct.
Okay, good stuff. Just while we're standing here, mate, I want to talk to you about wind ratings and tie downs. I know that we build to an N3. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yep, so with our builds, N3 is standard. even if it's an N2 classification, we build to N3 standard, which is rods at every opening and all the way around the place as well.
Excellent, that's great. Now, Ben, have you got a sec, mate, if you could come in? Ben, I just want you to explain a little bit about the strap down of the frame.
Mate, we usually use a Mytech 600 cyclone tie for our pit rafters and commonly just our trusses. And then we get a CT 180, which is a 180mm strap with a twist tie on it. And that's usually put on all of our creepers around the house. And Mytech pre-punch holes for us and provide us with bags of nails. These Mytech nails are approved Australian standards, and obviously we get a better quality product at the end of our job.
So you're actually hand nailing those in?
Yes, we hand nail these in.
That's great. All right, good on you, mate. You're doing a great job here.
Thanks, mate.
Okay, thanks, Ben.
Have a good one.
Okay, so we'll just have a chat, Rob, about site clean. Obviously with this house and the site that we're on at the moment, there's a bit of work still to go. But how do you work the site cleans during the course of the whole construction?
So we have 5 site cleans throughout the build, and they're usually at each stage. So we'll have the roof will go on next, so that'll be a clean.
Yep.
And then when the bricks go up, that'll be the second clean.
Yep. So that's pretty good. Obviously keeping your site neat and tidy, as we can see here now, it's pretty important to you.
Yeah, definitely. We don't want any rubbish blowing through the estate, or just keeping it nice and neat and tidy.
That's great. That's really good, mate. Thanks for that. I just want to ask you, those couple of little slabs there, what are they for, and when were they for?
Yep, so they're aircon pads, and we do the gas bottle pads as well, and we do them all in the same pour, so that they tie in together.
So it's like the single pour, when you do the slab, you do that, so it's all structural concrete.
That's correct.
That's really good.
All together.
Okay, mate. Thanks for that.
No worries.
Thanks for watching our videos, and I hope they've been helpful in demonstrating the high standard of build quality that we deliver here at Stroud Homes. The great supervision you saw from Rob means all our trades are held to a high standard of professionalism to produce that top 5% build quality that's unique to Stroud Homes. Build quality is such an important component, it's often overlooked while you're focusing on price, and once the home has been built, it's too late. The new home you're considering is probably the biggest investment of your life. My advice is, don't cut corners on the quality of your new home. Bye for now.